Okay, you have been learned about how to manage emails, creating an email, view of the email. Okay, next one is the searching a mail. For example, you would like to search the mail. Where you can search from here. Once you click on this search button, okay, here you can see search by attachment is there, search by a subject, search by a prompt, okay, search by a category in the sense which category mail you would like to search, or search by important mails, search by a flag, okay, only flag, which are the flag will be searched here, or we can search by a week like a this week mail, okay, it will be searching for the all the mails received from the this particular week, or yesterday, okay, mail received from the yesterday we have it received, okay, like this we can search, in the sense we can search the mail according to our requirement by using this search tab, okay. And one more thing we can learn, we have to learn here, that is nothing but updating of folders. How to update a folder? For example, you created a folder, moved everything. If you like to confirm that is it updated or not, okay, and you may be working offline, may not be connected your internet, okay, at that particular time if you are not connected to internet, you have been working offline, if you like to update everything whatever you have been done offline, once you have been connected to internet, how to update that one? We have to go to send and receive, and we have to say update folder. It will start updating a folder, and you have to say here send and receive all folders, send and receive all folders. It will start send as well as the received side, all the folders will be updated, okay. If you like to check the process progress, here it will be shown progress, okay. And if you like to cancel all the updates, you can cancel here, okay. Like this you can send and receive, send and receive when to use, you are working offline, in the sense you have not been connected to any internet, later you have been connected to internet, you like to update whatever you have been done so far, then we have to use a send and receive all folder to update everything. Again you can refresh everything by using update folder, and you can check what is the progress of the send and receive status, and you can cancel all if you don't want to update, okay. Like this we can update the whatever the work you have been done offline also.